Right, hello. I don't know what happened to the intro, but hello guys, it's me, Sam's Vlog, Trains and Walk. Welcome back to my farm video. My farm vlog, Meadows Farm vlog. Here we go, it's starting now. Right, we're now walking into the farm, because that's at Meadows Farm, because I thought I'd do a bit of vlogging.
Hi guys, I'm in the vlog again, because you want to watch when I'm in it.
Get out the vlog, I don't want you in the vlog. Was this the complaint features in the vlog? Actually, yeah, you got me 80 views in my last video, so get in my vlog. We're walking into Meadows Farm. It's about a 40-minute drive, half an hour drive from us, so it's not too far.
No, that's boring.
And yeah, it's 30 degrees today, so it's very cold. Look, talking of animals, I found some goats already. Can you see that, guys, in my vlog? Hello. Yeah, but here now, we're also here for lamb feeding because as spring is round the corner, the baby lambs have been born, so we're going to feed them with the milk bottles.
The big one, yeah.
And here, all the little goats. Right, let's go in then. That rabbit there looks like Luna, our kitten at home. Look how soft this rabbit is. Hello, he's asleep in the bucket. Cutie. So you can actually come in the rabbit and guinea pig pens here at Mini Meadow, and they're really cute. And you've even got these little feed buckets, which are all good, which have got loads of different food, which have now spilt. And as these rabbits are hungry, I might give them another carrot. We're now in the guinea pig section, and look how many guinea pigs are all crammed into this bed. Let me show you. I'll turn the camera around, I'll show you. Look how many's in there. There's like, I can't count how many's in there, about 10? Maybe, no, maybe a bit less than that actually. So the rabbits weren't actually that hungry, but I gave the guinea pigs some. So I gave them the carrots, but the rabbits weren't actually that hungry. Yeah. So this one here actually looks like my Gracie guinea pig that I've got at home. Look. Gracie! No, she doesn't reply to me calling her Gracie. Look at all these babies. Look how cute they are. I know, look how cute they are. This calf is very, very, very soft. Aren't you a little cutie? And there's your friends. Right, every time I get these chipmunks on camera, they always hide. I like the chipmunks. I did do a vlog. I did film a few things last time I was here, but that was a montage vlog. I'll do the proper vlog. Oh, where are they all coming in? They're like little rats. No, not little rats, little squirrels. They're the old one. Hello. Little cuties. Aren't you cute? Do you want to be on camera? Say hello. Can't look at them on the rope. See, that's a good photo. Oh, he's moved. Now I've got a photo of the bloody cage. Oh, look how cute he is. This alpaca sounds like a cow. He tells mooing, and he's very hungry. I've just given some more, but I'm not going to give it all. Save for the other. Compared to the pigs over there, they're not blooming hungry at all. In fact, are you trying to get more food out of my bucket? Let's do a bit of a construction update while we're here. They're actually building some new barns at the moment. It's quite windy. But they've actually been building them for a few months now, so I presume they'll be open. I wonder what they'll use them for. I wonder if the public will go into them or what, I'm not sure, but they're still building them. They're almost finished now though. So we're now in the other area of the alpacas, and look, there's some there. And this, over there, if you see in the background, is they used to have something for Christmas over there when we came in December, but it turns out that there's not. You've just vlog bombed me, Mum. They're feeding the dog, just went over. Look how many is there. Do you want some more? Do you want some more? Come on. Put on the ground for you. Come on. Here they all come. Have some food then. Yeah, I just fed them. Look how cute they are. When you like, show up. Oh, fighting and shouting over there. Hello. Hi, headphone users. These ducks are being blooming dirty, look. They're drinking out the blooming muddy water. You gross too. Right, who remember holiday to Fleet Raffle video from September 2018 features sheep, because sheep is one of my favourite animals as well as giraffes, and they've got plenty here. Look how many they've got. I'm about to feed them, and I absolutely love the sheep. So does my mum. Look how many there is. Not as many as Farmer Parks up in Fleetwood, but there's quite a few here down in Northamptonshire. So this one's a cheeky monkey. Quick, one else is feeding.
Donkey, not monkey.
As in it's naughty. I was trying to keep
bucket.
Yeah, I'll get the bucket away from you. Yeah, you can see how naughty he is. He's trying to get out my food bucket. And he's trying to
Donkey.
he was trying to oh wow. A carrot, the cheeky monkey, even though he's a donkey. Right, it's about 1:20 in about just over half an hour. We're going to go feed the lambs at 2 o'clock. We've got to be there 5 minutes before. I'm not going to film me feeding the lambs there because I want to get the whole experience out there. And plus there's going to be kids there, and obviously I can't show kids on my channel, child protection issues day. So yeah, but I will tell you, I'll give you a review of that because I did it last year and didn't show you anything, but I will give you a review of that when I do it in just over half an hour. But it's going to be fun. Right, the sun's coming in my eyes a bit. Good job these glasses are also sun ones because they've got a tint. I'm off to feed the goats now with this orange paper cup. There's the sheep again. There you are. There's the sheep. Yes, I need to get my fringe cut, which is why my hair is blooming flopping in my eyes. But let's go see the goats, which I also got a shot on in my intro, because over here is in the car park where my sister's parked. Right, goats want some food then. Right, I'm going to feed them, and I'll get back to you in a minute. Right, I've just fed them now, see, they're eating the remains of the food on the floor there. That's what you've had to. But unfortunately, they're in closure. You used to be able to ages ago. I've never actually got the opportunity to go inside there because if you look, you can't get access. So that's a shame. Maybe if one day they open up, and in fact, I've just given them the rest of this food and some more short from a distance. There's some more up there though from the car park. You can see the actual exterior of the building down there. But I know I've got no food left. Look, it's empty. Sorry, your friends got here before you. But yeah, cool then. In fact, last time let me get a group photo of you. Maybe a thumbnail shot. Right, seeing and feeding the goats was fun. Very, very, very good. And now I'm going to see what animals are down there besides the ponies to feed them. Have a look at the reservoir maybe, and then walk back up in time to do the lamb bottle feeding. Yay! Time? I think it's 1:30. Do you want to be on camera? Do you not want to be on camera anymore? I've got nothing left, unfortunately. There's no more food because the goat's down there later. We're not going to do the reservoir walk today because it's a bit muddy, and to be honest, I don't really want to do it. I did it last time. It's not something you do each time. But if you want some shots of the reservoir, yeah, I can't speak. If you want some shots of the reservoir, there it is in the distance, and then he's photobombing me. Subscribe, yeah. Right, they've actually got 3 big cows now. Look, can we just appreciate how massive they are now? They're like smaller like a few ages ago when they came. And there's 3 now. They used to be called, what was one of them called, Lauren? Morag. According to my sister. Which one was Morag?
One of these black ones.
Not that one. It was either this or that one. I left my food bucket unattended, so I best move that, otherwise what saying will get them. Right, we've just about done everything at the farm now. Now we're waiting for lamb bottle feeding. It starts in about 10 minutes time. I'm actually sat in the play park. There's a park here, as you can see, swings in that, and also a little sand pit for kids as well. I'm a big kid and there's a tractor in front, but I went on last time. I'm not going to go on this time. A, because there's kids there, and B, because I don't know what B was. But anyway, yeah, we'll wait for lamb feeding. It's going to start at 10 minutes. I was about to sneeze there, but then I didn't. Right, now in the calf, I've got some lemonade and slice of Victoria sponge cake. We're going to eat this and then go.